Hello, this is my presentation of what my ideal room would be like. The bedroom has a modern dressing and a racing theme. There is a large big white dart buried in the center of the room. On the wall, there is a big flat screen TV sound, sounded by Shelby's. The Shelby have model race cars, some in red and others in yellow or green. Above the TV, there are framed pictures of racing cars. On the left side, there is desk with their computer monitor and comfortable chair. A large window with gray curtain lets in natural light. The shelves and the desk have LED light which give it the room a warm atmosphere. Right now, the lights are on, and the sunlight is coming through the window. The room looks clean and organized. Thanks.